Okay, like database tables. Last class, around 10 tables I had given: LFA1, LFB1, LFBK, MERA, MERC, MERD, MEKT. Like the tables data I had given, correct?
Yes, sir.
How to? Okay, those okay, basic related information. The basic like what exactly the table, how to cross check the database table. Because in future we will work. So many tables will work. That's why before that only I'm going to give clearly. Like example, if you create vendor, where it will store. Okay, this all concept I am going to provide right now only. Okay, the concept name is how to check database tables. Introduction, like practical oriented. This is from now onwards more practical oriented classes only. How to check database tables. Yeah, Manju also, I think he's not well. I think that's why he sent message. We'll see how to check database tables using SE16N. SE16. First, we'll work out SE16N. Then SE11 also I'll show today only. This is example one. Okay, first example. Very easy only, but data is very important. For the data, I am going to explain this stuff. Okay, go to first. Which table? Any table. Either vendor table, either material table, either purchase order table, any table, your wish. It's not compulsory only one table. I had given 10 table. From any table, okay, from that list, any table you can select. Okay. Go to SAP login. Okay, go to SAP login. Click on the server. I think same server I am using. Step 1. Under command bar, this is command bar. Okay, first class means before session, had given transaction code list, and yesterday also two T code list I had given. SE11, SE16N, correct? T codes you have to enter in command bar. Table it won't work here. T codes only. SE16N. Enter. Okay, SE16N. Okay, enter. Okay, LFA1.
Sir, what is LFA1?
LFA1 means vendor master. Last class I had given list. Check. Not last class. Yesterday only. Yesterday I had given list. Some table list.
One second.
First it will be empty like this. Once if you enter SC16N, once if you enter, it will be empty. Yesterday I had given 10 list. Did you check that one?
Sir, yesterday LFA1 you didn't told sir anything.
How? First table LFA1 only. Vendor master table. First table is enter LFA1 only. LFA1, LFB1, LFBK.
Sorry, sir. Vendor master table.
That is only
Okay. Sorry,
because
sir.
okay, without vendor master data, there is no SAP MM.
Okay, sir. Like, is this like by default table names?
By default, that is only I told you standard tables.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Good.
enter the table name. Enter means type it, and then enter. Enter. Then immediately it will show here. See now. Here. What is the name? Here. Vendor master data or vendor master, whatever it is. Vendor master data or vendor master. Okay. In this vendor master data, first we have to observe that how many number of entries are there. Number of entries are nothing but database entries. Okay. Database entries. How many are there? Okay. How many number of entries are there? Click on number of entries. You click on number of entries. See now, how many number of entries are there? Total
2000.
2427 entries are. Okay, this many entries are means this many records are. I told you definition database table database table definition.
Yes.
What is database table means? Data in the form of
Rows and columns.
rows and columns. Then how many rows are there here? 2427 rows are there. Okay, 2024/7. I will show it now. Here maximum number of hits is default. Okay, now here after that I close this one. Then here maximum number of hits is there by default. 500 is there. The maximum number of hits. I'll remove this 500. Enter. Why 500 I removed means if it is 500 is there only 500 entries only will come. For that reason I removed 500. Then I want to see the data, full data. Here we have one symbol is there, F8 symbol. Here we have F8 symbol. Okay, F8 is nothing but execute. F8 execute. See now, almost all 2427, all records are displayed. This is only row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, all are there, all are there. Okay, page down, page down, page down, page down, page down. See now, page down means all records can cross check once again. Understood what is data now here? Data is this is from here onward. This is column. Vendor is column. City, name, name to. These all are columns. Okay, these are all columns. Any doubt?
Sir, vendor means the company like where the another companies, right, sir? Like,
Exactly. Vendor it may be company or even a person also. Like example, supplier. Okay, clearly that is also company. That is also okay, person or a group of companies, group of persons also. Okay, vendor means. Understood? It's nothing but a simple way supplier is supplying the material.
okay.
Okay.
Sir, one more doubt I have. So
Hmm.
while creating the vendor, we will only create the vendor, right, sir? In case if it is
Correct.
a new
We
vendor.
will create it. You have to learn that all the steps. Next, These are all just basic, like example. These are all first. You will create vendor where it will store that
Vendor market.
information I am giving now.
Okay, okay.
This table only important. You will as a user, you will create table. You will create the some vendors. 10 vendors you will create. The 10 vendor data it will be stored here only. You have to
Yeah,
cross check like that.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It is not
Uh,
reflecting. We can come here and we can check in the database tables.
Table. Correct. Correct. Okay. Now example something like you created one table, one record, one record. Okay, that record also, if you want to check, you can check like that directly. Like example, here some number you can enter. So like this is the one number somebody created, I think. Let me check that. If I execute this number, if this vendor is there, it will show like this. See now,
Hmm.
okay. Not only this one, any number. Like example, let's take random number. Say random number 1005. See 1005 already existed, I think. Let me check. Is it existed?
Yes.
Okay, meaning what I'm trying to say here. Okay, you will create the record in XK01 vendor you will create it, but that is number is existed in table database or not, you have to cross check like this.
Yes.
This is before creating the vendors, before creating materials. First, I am explaining some basic information. Where is
Hmm.
table? How to check the table? Entries are there or not? Okay, if entry is not existed here, your record is not successful. Meaning whatever you created that is not saved in database. If it is not saved in database, you cannot use it in purchase order. You cannot use it in purchase requisition. You cannot use it in further concepts. Correct? Okay. If record is not existed, then what is the use? Okay. Record should be existed compulsory in a database. Okay. Database. Here only it will show immediately. Vendor is created. Vendor is number is created like that. If you get like those type of output, then vendor will create properly. Okay. Any doubt here? No.
No, sir.
Okay, Sudarshan. Next. Any table. Let me take any table, one more table. Okay, material table will take it. This is one way. Okay. Let me take one more time. Material table. I'm going to show the material table or material text table, MAKT. Okay, go to SE16N. Okay, MAKT. Okay, go to MAKT. Okay, table. Number of entries, if I check here, 176. Okay, 1,000 tables are there. 1,000 records, 176,562 records are there in database. Why this many are there? Meaning here, here language is there, one name called language. Because this data, it is related to all languages, not only SAP English. SAP is in English. SAP is having different languages. Let me execute some data. First 10 records I will execute. Let's see. See now you can see that English version is test material only. But same way, yeah, okay, Hungary version, SL, Russian version, EL, BG, SH, RO, there are so many other versions also there. Like nothing but a English version, some French versions, Germany versions, other versions also there. But we don't want to see all the versions. Here you have the one name called language is there. If you filter the language EN, okay, if you filter the language EN, then it will show number of entries exactly it will show it is related to only English language. It will show. Say now 17,620 English records are there. Means English version. Okay, English version. Then how to check that English version? Remove here. I'll repeat you. First you have to enter the table. Then if you want to see only English language, you can enter EN. Or if you want to see full data, you can click directly number of entries. Okay, 176 is there. But now language name means there are so many languages, 42 languages we have. 42 languages. If we click here Danish, let me check the Danish how many number of entries is there. Say now. Danish how many number of entries are there? Only 3 entries. If I
3.
execute here, see now. MB01 material, MB02 material, MB03 material, mobility, some food saver rolls, something they created now also, some other materials for restaurant purpose also they created. This is Danish language. Okay, if you change the language, it will show the same data. Okay, same data. Meaning this all the data. Okay, this all the data based on the language wise it will show based on the language wise. Now I will end. This is like a filter. Whatever I am going to enter, this is like filter. English language I am going to enter. English. Now this symbol we'll call execute. The symbol we can call this is we can call execute or online. Okay, click on execute or online. Okay, see now. How many entries? Number of entries. All 70,000
7.
is displayed. See, you can see all are English version only. See here. This is only database table. Rows. Column is fixed. Material. Okay, language. Material description. Okay, material description. Okay, it is fixed. Okay, it is fixed. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this, we have so many database tables. Okay, so many database tables. All database tables you can cross check by using this SE16N only. Okay, SE16N. And here you can filter multiple ways you can filter, not only one filtering. Either you can restrict the materials, either you can restrict the language, whatever you want. Okay, now example, some other languages I don't want. Okay, let's see. First, something 100 material I will give. Some 1000 material I will give. If I check this number of entries, it will show 529. 529. Why? Languages are different. Now, if I filter the English language, then you see the difference. Before 529 was there. Now, how many is there?
4.8.
40. No, 48. 48. 48. Okay, 48 is there. Why 48? Because of language. Okay, because of language. Means now, if I enter the language, only English it will come. 170. You just observe that 170. I will execute without language. See now. 170 can observe. There only one record is there. Now, if I execute now, you see the 170 how many times is there? 170, second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct? Why this many times? 13 times? You can see all the language also. See now, this is Chinese, Japanese, sorry, Japanese. This is Japanese, some other language, EL. This is French, English. DE means Germany, Hungary, something, SL. Okay, SL. SL means another. Just one idea. which language we never work other languages. Okay, just one idea I'm giving. Here SL you can check Slovenian. Two are there, Slovakian, Slovenian. Okay. These are the languages. Okay, SAP already given for almost all the countries. 41 languages they already prepared. But which countries are there? The only those countries are displayed here. This is only database table. Data in the form of even you can store multiple countries also. Multiple countries also you can say. Multiple languages also you can say by using SAP. Okay, by using SAP. That is the advantage. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next. No, same entries, like same tables. Here, if you observe now here, this is actually column. This is also column. This is also column. This is also column. How many columns we have here? As per this table, only four columns only. Only four columns only. But if I open another table, let's the another table, LFA1 or any other table, Mara, see the difference. How many columns are there? See now. How many columns? There are so many columns. See to address, name. You can see here. See to address, name, title. Okay, so many columns are there. See, these many columns are there. These many columns are there. So all the columns is having some technical information. All the columns behind some technical information. How to cross check those technical information? How to cross check the technical information? Here, technical information is nothing but a technical names. Okay, technical names like field names. Okay, technical information is nothing but a technical field names. To cross check the database tables, here this is only just a direct entry. Enter the table name. If you don't enter any records here, any record here, we don't enter the any range also. If you click execute, it will work. All the data it will show total 1,76,000. See now. Okay, total 1,76,000 records is displayed. Okay, all the records are displayed. But I I need some technical information also. I need some technical information. To check the technical information, we won't use SE16N. We have the one more name called, I told you here,
See,
SC11, I told you. Last class, one T code.
dictionary,
SC11,
ABAP dictionary.
exactly. This is very important. If you want to survive long time in SAP, like long time means like techno-functional consultant, you need at least some good experience on this SE11 in future now. So as a entry level, nobody will ask that much depth in depth. Find, but after 2 years, 3 years, compulsory, you have to learn your own or otherwise something. You have to do some hard work on SE11, SE638, some reports also because basic level first year, second year, third year, they won't give any type of technical specification designs. All these things they won't give to you. Okay, only after 5 years, 4 years only they'll give. But starting onwards, if you are very good, then compared to the other employees, then you will get more weightage. That's what. Okay, we need some basic idea about database tables with the technical names also. Okay, technical names. That's the reason I'm going to give you all the database table related, how to cross check, how to execute it in introduction session only. In future also, compulsory, I'll show it once again database table. Okay, in future, like vendor master data, material master data, purchase order data. This all tables compulsory will work out. Okay, that time live data only you can see. This is existing data I am going to show. That time, whatever we will create, that data only I'll show it. That time. That once again I'll repeat you this topic. Okay, I'll repeat you. Now, ABAP dictionary. ABAP dictionary. ABAP dictionary is nothing but all the elements like tables, structures, views. Okay, there are so many concepts we have. Okay, database views, structures, data element to domains, so all it will come. But you never learn all the technical related things. Our work is only database table. Just you need some idea. Okay, you need some idea how to check. I'm going to show clearly this topic right now. Using SE11, I'm going to execute. Same table, same table, this table only. This is completed. Now, second one, how to check the database tables using SE16, SE11, SE11. Same, but using SE11, I am explaining. Second example, how to check the database table using SE11. Steps. Go to, okay, go to SE11. Enter. Go to SE11. Enter. Here we have the any table, even you can use MAKT also, no problem. But now I am going to show first table, vendor only. Okay, any table you can select, no issue. Any table, 10 tables are given, any table you can select. Okay, table name is LFA1. Okay, LFA1, database table, LFA1. Okay, click on. Okay, click on display, not change, click on display. Okay, click on display. LFA1. Okay, LFA1. Vendor master. Okay, vendor master. We have 146 fields are there. 146 fields. Fields means this is only. So this is one field, one column. This is one column. This is one column. One column. Like that, 146 columns are there. You can see the description here. Just overview I'll give now today. We are not going to learn all the 100% concept now. Just one overview I'm giving. First to understand what is length, what is data type, what is field, what is disk. Four columns important here. First column is field is important. Because in future we will work with this field. That field. Field is having description. That is also you have to identify. Like example, vendor number means this is. What is the field name? LIFNR. Vendor country means somewhere here, country. Country here only. This is land one. Vendor city. City. What is around? Like that, okay, like that we have to identify, check the field name description with the field description with field. Okay. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now that field is having data type is the one option. Data type and length is the okay. Length data type and length fields are important here. Once again, why data type length means like here data type means char. Char means CHER. Char means alpha numeric values. Example is not that much technical, just very easy only. Char means I'll tell you. CHER. The topic is technical topic only, just idea I'm giving. Like char means you can enter like vendor means like V1. V1 you can enter. Otherwise VEN1, vendor 1, vendor 1, like that. See now, first three letters are characteristics. One letter is numeric letter. Means if you maintain the characteristics, you can maintain the alphanumeric values. Alphanumeric meaning, okay, let's observe that one simple example. Phone number, like phone number. What exactly the phone number means? Only numbers only, na? Is there any characteristics A to Z is there in that? In that, is there any letter?
No, sir. Like data type is numeric.
Exactly. That is only I am trying to say. Data type is here numeric, but here char means you can enter either characteristics, either numeric. That is what I am trying to say. Okay, just one idea is just okay. We required in future classes we will work on concept name called release. For that reason, I am explaining this concept right now only. Okay, meaning field is char means it will allow alphanumeric. What is the maximum length? 10. What is meaning of 10 means? Means if you enter here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means maximum this much length only you can enter. Like example, vendor 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, this is the length, maximum length. Means this much length only you can create it. Otherwise, 999. Okay, from 0, 0, 1 to maximum this many numbers you can create it in between. Okay, in between. Meaning if it is vendor 10 is there, 10 means I think this 10 characteristics only I think. 5, total 10. Means from 1 to 999999999 it will allow. Means 10 means char 10 means 10 characteristics or 10 numeric letters it will allow here. Is this point is clear now? What is 10 means size? Okay, 10 means size. Like one more very simple. Country is there 3. Why country is 3? For India, how many letters? For India,
5.
only 2 only, na?
Okay.
But SAP
Seven.
has got 3. IN means. Like example, USC is there. USC. How many letters?
3 letters.
3 letters. That's why SAP has given 3 letters. Maximum only country ki 3 only. Okay, 3 only. Okay, like this. Okay, we have the. Okay, I'll repeat you once again. Field is nothing but a okay, field means technical information. Okay, technical name. Field is nothing but a technical name. Data type is nothing but it is a predefined. It is a predefined. In bracket, which type of data you are going to enter. If it is date field, Gangadhar, can you enter in date field? Like, let me check. One
Only
small
dates.
example, only date. Okay, that is what I'm. One live example only will see. One FI related or any T code you can enter. Just date is there here. Sir, here what is the name here? Document date is an. Here if I enter Gangadhar, is it allow? It's not allowing. Not allowing. See now. Here if I enter also it won't allow, only date related only. But document number it will allow any name. But coming to the document date, date field means only date only. Okay, date only. Okay. Like that, date field date. Okay, characteristics field it will allow both numeric only okay, number related information. This type of all it is there already in database. Field is nothing but a technical name. Data type is nothing but it is a predefined type. Predefined data predefined types. It is having char numeric. It is having char numeric day to time field. Day to time. Length is nothing but a how many record means how many numbers you will enter, like how many numbers, length, maximum numbers. Okay, if you give three, only three letters only you can enter. Okay, three letters. Okay, next. Okay, next. Description. Description nothing but a English version name. English details like is it country, name, city. Okay, field name you cannot identify. Description you can identify easily. Okay, description you can identify easily. Okay, this is the way. This is the way to check the only table only, not data here. See now, still this is not data. Now I'm going to show how to execute the table. How to execute the table. Go to utilities. This table is having data or not, I'm checking now. I'm going to show clearly. Utilities, table contents. Okay, table content, display. Continue. Continue. Number of entries. 2427 it is displayed. Here we have the one option, maximum number of hits is there. It is only 200 it is going to show. Only 200. Why 200? SAP has given some okay list maximum number of hits they have given. Will remove. We will execute all the records. Remove this data. Okay, remove this data. Okay, click on execute. Okay, click on execute. Execute means F8. In SE16N we have seen same data displayed here. See now. All 2427 records are displayed here. See now. Yeah. Okay. Here this side you can move. It will show all the records. Just move cursor. Otherwise here we have the one option cursor move. Postal code, region, street, address number. Okay, modifications. Something so many fields, so many company. All the information it is displayed clearly. Okay, total information. Total columns total columns are displayed. Okay, how many columns are there? All columns data. If data is there, it will show. If data is not there, it will show empty. Okay, it will show empty. See, this is the data empty. Now back button. If I need only 1 to 10 vendors, I will filter it. 1, only 10. If I need only 10 vendors, list, but I don't know how many vendors are there in 1 to 10. But if I execute only 1 to 10 with F8, okay, with F8, see now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All are there, 10 records. Okay, clearly displayed here. Okay, means which record you want, you can filter that records. Okay, those records. It is the advantage of this particular. There also you can filter. Here also you can filter. And one more advantage here. Here you have the one option is there. Like multiple selection is the one option. Multiple selection meaning. Sorry, wait. Go to once again utilities. I just click back button. Table content and display. Go to once again display. Click on display. Remove this one. Here we have the one option. Multiple selection. 100, 1000. So 1000. 100, 1000. Execute. Click on execute. You know how many entries are displayed here? Why only 3 entries are displayed? Because we filtered here. Did you observe that one? Here, these entries, here multiple selection. No? Random numbers also you can execute it. It's not compulsory how to give range. Okay, random numbers, one record from 1000, 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh. You can give single values, range you can give, multiple single values, multiple ranges you can give. Okay, multiple ranges. Okay, this all okay, will maintain here. Okay, using this option. Okay, using this option. This point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me. Okay, if you want range, like example, let me delete all. Now I deleted. Let me enter. Sorry. Select, select all. Manual only can delete. Range will maintain. Range. Range means like 100 to 110. Like this also you can execute. 100 to 110. Execute. Execute. Say 100 to 110 only one record only existed. 100 to 110. Only one record only it is existed. Any doubt now? Okay. If you give the range more range, it will work more range. Okay, maybe some 300 I'll give. 300. Then it will work all 300. In between 300, 100 to 300, only 5 records only there. 100, 111, 200, 222, 300. Like that. Means you can enter the range. You can enter the single value. You can enter the multiple single values, multiple ranges. All options in in this particular, okay, multiple selection only there. Okay, multiple selection only. Okay, like this, any table. This is only just one table. Let me show the another table, Mara table this time. MERA. This is third table I am giving. First table LFA1, second MAKT, third is MERA. Third is MERA. Okay, MERA. Click on display. Click on display. Now, this time we don't want to search all the field names. Later we'll see all this one. I'm going to show now. Okay, utilities. Okay, 1 second. Here, go to utilities, table contents, table content, display. Okay, click on display. Then number of entries, 17,773 is there. Remove here 200. Remove 200. All will see all the records. Same data I have shown you through SE16N also. See now, this is Mara table. 17,773 records are there in database. All are displayed. In future class, we'll check like this only. Okay, once if I complete raw materials, say this is raw material, ROH. This is HALB. Okay, this is D and services. This is finished goods. This is semi-finished goods. Like that, we have already these all names we have here. Okay, these all names. Okay, we'll create all these names in coming session clearly. No issue. Okay, no issue. But here just how to execute the database table, how to cross check the feed data, and how to filter the data. If you want to check that only one record, you can check the only one record. If you want to check the multiple records, you can check the multiple records. These all options today we covered in this session. Okay, only data related only we checked, but data not created still. Data not created. If you want to create data, first we need company. We need company code. We need plant, storage location, purchasing organization. All these concept we can call enterprise structure. That enterprise structure, technically we did not start. Okay, first I have to explain clearly theoretical part on enterprise structure. Once if enterprise structure is okay, once if you understand, then we will start okay, practical, more practical on okay, SPRO configuration. We'll have to start configuration. Before configuration, what is enterprise structure? In class, theoretical points are there. Once if I cover this theoretical point, then all are practical oriented sessions only. Next onwards, next onwards. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask me in this two transaction code. Today, whatever I introduced, and last class, whatever database table I introduced, and T codes. Anyhow, T codes in coming session I will discuss. We cannot execute all T codes today only. Today, just I introduced only two T codes, SE16N and SE11. These two is enough for technical related things. Okay, ABAP related. Okay, ABAP related. Okay. Sudarshan, any doubt?
No, sir.
Kavya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then you practice anyhow. See, other student also not attending today. Okay, you just complete these exercises today. Okay, practice all those particular one. And all tables you can cross check, not only one table, all
Mm.
tables, one idea. Like go and check the description and what type of data it is there. Okay, like this. Okay, like here I entered only Mara. Like this, you can check the MEKT, MERD, MERC, MBWM, LFA1, LFB1. If you cross check here, it will show clearly that whatever the data here. Here. Mara means I told you material master data. I told you this is only same. They had given general master data. Okay, how many fields are there? Just one idea. You practice all 10 tables, 11 tables. Okay, in your laptop. And if you have doubt, you just message me. I'll guide you. Okay. Let them practice. Okay, there also there is Murli. One more guy, no? What is Murli? No, missing actually. One guy is working night shift. Okay, that those two. Let them practice. I'll check with them today. Okay, what exactly their start status. Okay, then tomorrow class I will update you. Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow there's no class in morning. Maybe I'll plan some other time only because okay, one guy is not attending from last 2 3 class sessions because of working. Now, one more guy is having some fever, I think something. Okay, I'll check with him. Okay, today evening. Okay, tomorrow 9 o'clock. I'll update you. Okay, what time they will okay are attending. I'll check with them. Then I will update you. Okay, tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, you practice today and see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
So,
Sure.
yeah,
Yeah,
thank
yeah. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
you. Bye.